name is Destiny. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. And today I am going to be straightening my hair. I usually straighten my hair every 3 weeks, so it's just a nice break from doing my hair every week. It's so much easier maintenance, although I do love my natural hair also. Alright, so if you are interested in this video, please keep on watching. I am freshly shampooed. I shampooed my hair 3 times. And I deep condition my hair with the macadamia deep conditioner for about over an hour. Okay, and the 2 main products I use when I blow out my hair, Shea Moisture silicone free miracle styler leave-in treatment. It's almost gone. I love this stuff. It's perfect for when you put heat on your hair. It's a dupe of it's a 10 miracle leave-in, and I just prefer this one. This one just seems a little more moisturizing to me. And I'm also going to go in with Kenra Platinum Blow Dry Spray. Combine both of these to straighten my hair. It's time. I cannot wait. It's time. Ooh, excited. The stuff is really lightweight, so that's the reason why I like it. It's meant for you styling your, like putting heat on your hair. Now I'm gonna go in with my go-to blow dryer, the Revlon blow dryer brush. Like, this thing is tried and true. This thing gets my hair nice and straight so that when I flat iron it, it's nice and straight as possible. Go in with warm air first all over my head, and then I go back in with the hot air. Also, make sure when you're using this blow dryer, you're going in a down motion first. Let me talk about, this is a blowout. This is not. I did not even flat iron it yet. What? Ooh, Lord Jesus, get me straight. Like it is. This is tiring. Okay, so I'm gonna flat iron it tomorrow. So Honest, Pippi Longstocking. Alright, so see you later when it's time to straighten my hair. So today is the next day. My roots are still really puffy, so I'm gonna have to go back through and hit up my roots today. I did go in and trim like a half an inch. I had a lot of single strand knots. I knew I needed a trim. I knew it. And I'm gonna use a little bit more of this Kenra Platinum Blowout spray. I've had this thing for like 2 years and I'm just going to be using this to flatter my hair. It's the NuMe Flat Iron. It says it takes a minute to get hot, but I would say it takes a good 5 minutes. So I'm gonna let this warm up. Okay, so this thing's warmed up for a good 5 minutes, so it's nice and hot. Go in with the Shea Silk Infusion, this stuff. So right here. Yes. When I have my rat tail comb and my pattern, ignore that, my pattern brush, so like this thing get a good grip. So because I hate raggedy ends when I can just glide my comb through my hair, so then I know, okay, ain't no more snags, ain't no more single strand knots. Trim your ends, guys, because look, that snagging is not cute. First you go in with the roots. With the roots screw. jet black really showing out. Really showing out. The fading cap on, I'll leave it on for a couple of minutes, only like 3 to 5 minutes. Leave this on for about 3 minutes. Yeah, so good. I think it's fine. Alright, so that is the end of this video. So I just wanted to show you just an update on how it looks. I did go in and trim some more off camera. Trimming is no problem to me. You gotta go in and trim your hair, get those bad ends. Alright, so that is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share if you care. I do appreciate it, and I hope you have a blessed day. Thank you so much. Bye.